Hi guys, today we are doing this question plus one. In this question, we basically have to add just one to the given number. The number is in form of an array. Each, like this number would form 123. So 123 plus 1 would give us 124. Similarly, 4321, 4321 plus 1 would give us 4322. So, first of all, this question seems to be very easy. So let's try to do what comes first to the mind. First thing that comes to mind is like we would just add one to the last position in the given array. Let's try this solution. So just what we have to do is digits of let's take the size int n is equal to digits dot size. So n minus 1 plus equal to 1, and then we just return digits. Okay, let's check the correctness. This gives us a right answer. Let's test it for the corner case when the number is 9. So we should get answer 1 comma 0, but let's see what we are getting. We get a 10 value and we get a wrong answer. So what do we have to do is, like if we get a 2-digit number, in that case we have to take a carry, like 1 would be the carry here. For 10 the carry would be 1. So here we have to put the carry into the next vector, next array element. So how would we do this? And let's test for some more cases. Like 499 should give us answer 500, but our result would be wrong because we're just simply adding one to the last array element, and we are not carry forwarding the carry that is generated at any step. So let's see how to do this. So basically this is wrong. So what we are required to do is, if in case of uh, carry, we need to add the carry to the previous element in the array. Okay, and so how would we do it? We'll algo is, we'll start iterating from the last digit of the array, then for the last digit, just for the last digit, because one has to be added once. Last digit plus 1, then we'll calculate the carry as well as the number plus 1. What would be the number? So this would have two cases where the number could be 9. 9 plus 1 would generate a carry, and the other case would be any number less than 9. In this case there will be no carry. Okay, so how would we go about it? Let's make a vector, because we are making a vector because we do not know the size of the answer. Like if the number is 999 plus 1, in this case the final answer would be of size 4 3 instead of 3, sorry. And in case 499 plus 1, the answer would be 500. So the size is 3, so we do not know the actual size. So we do not know the actual size, so we are taking a vector because it's self-adjusting. So let's go through the answer. I is equal to n minus 1. We'll iterate from the last digit while I is greater than equal to 0, and we'll take a carry equal to 0. If for the last digit, if we are considering the last digit, if I is equal to n minus 1, then um, digits of I plus 1 is the sum. Let's take a variable sum here, sum equal to 0. Okay, so here the sum would be digit of I plus 1, and what would we push back into the answer? We would push back sum mod 10, and the carry would be sum divided by 10. Here the carry can be 0 or 1. Okay, and then for the other element else, we would simply do sum equal to digits of I plus carry. Okay, and then answer dot push back sum mod 10, and then carry would be sum divided by 10. And in case, like for situations where there is 999 plus 1, then the answer would be 1000. In this case, the end carry would be 1. So we check if carry is equal to 1 is greater than 0. Then we push back the carry value. And then let's see what the answer would be. Like what we are doing is, like for example 499 plus 1 is like we have to do a I minus minus, so that we iterate back in each step. So 9 plus 1 would give us answer would be 0. Then we generate a carry 1, uh, carry 1. Now I is not equal to I n minus 1, so here it comes digit of I is 9 plus carry is 1, so sum would be again 10. 10 mod 10 would become 0, so 0 is again pushed back, so 0 is added here. Instead of adding it in the front, we are adding it at the back. So here we push back, and then sum is equal to again 10 divided by 10 would come out to be 1. So here then we come again into the loop, we come into the else condition, then 4 plus 1 would become 5. 5 mod 10 would be 5, so 5 is pushed back. um, Here 5 is pushed back, and the carry becomes 0 because 5 divided by 10 becomes 0. And now we have come to the first element, 0th element, so we get out of the while loop, and c is not greater than 0, so we do not push back anything. And since now this is the answer vector, we just need to reverse what we got. Okay, so we're reversing it. How to reverse a vector? Reverse answer dot begin comma answer dot end. This would reverse the vector we made. Let's try to check for its correctness. So we get a correct answer. Let's check for another corner case, 999. So the answer is correct. We made a very efficient program, like 100% efficiency, and memory usage is also 100%. I hope you guys have understood how to do it. Have a nice day. Thank you.